Howdy gang, it's Al the dog trainer, and today I'm going to be bringing you some remote collar tips. Okay, tip number one, make it obvious to yourself that you should put your receiver on your dog. The best advice I can offer you here is to have your receiver on top of your dog's kennel. Now, you can make it very difficult for yourself if you're constantly having to hunt for the transmitter and the receiver. Being inconsistent with putting your equipment on your dog will inevitably lead to problems. Tip number two, put it on your dog each time you're going to do anything that involves reward. Many things that you do immediately before rewarding your dog can become associated. The act of placing your collar and receiver on your dog is no different. It's always a personal goal of mine that my dogs would run towards me when they see me pick up the receiver. If your dog is running away from you, then from their perspective, it's unlikely they believe a reward occurs next. Okay, tip number three. Become familiar with every single button and function on your receiver and transmitter. Knowledge is power. Having a clear understanding of what the equipment does will help keep the information that you're sharing with your dog clear. Look, these tools can be misused. If you're watching this video, you obviously care about your dog and you want to be fair and consistent. Become knowledgeable and protect your relationship with your dog by being informed. Tip number four, when you start giving voice commands and pairing it with your remote collar, have a leash on your dog to help clarify what they should do. Learning anything new is confusing. It's our responsibility to make sure that we're not being inconsistent with what we are asking our dogs to do. When you say a voice command and pair it with your remote collar, having the leash on your dog to help them get it right when they show that they're unsure will immensely help you in the long run. Tip number five, keep your levels low. When I use a remote collar like the ones from eCollar Technologies, I never raise the volume past 15 out of 100 for several sessions. Most often, I try to lower the volume. In the early stages, I'm looking for the sensation from the e-collar to become a predictor of the reward. Keeping the levels low will help make this happen. Many people turn up the volume way too quickly, or they start at the levels that are way too high to begin with. Don't do this. Low-level work will bring clarity to the voice command and increase your dog's resiliency. Using high levels too soon will likely have the opposite effect. Remote collar training can be very beneficial to your training program and can help you give freedom to your dog when it's done well. All right, so here is my last tip. Get a professional with experience involved. If you're unsure of how to go about this process, you can send me a message and my team and I can help you find a quality dog trainer to help you make the most out of training your dog. All right guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching, happy training, and have a great day.